Right now I'm with Scotty. Now Scotty has a tremendous amount of talent. And I have a tremendous amount of talent. And we both have a tremendous amount of talent.
We all do.
We all do. The thing is, we're going to use it a little bit more. We're going to up the ante. Because I had a vision about Scotty. You know what the vision was? Me, Scotty, and a couple other guys, our goal is to have 1 million views. 1 million views.
1 million views or subscribers as well.
And I think it's possible.
Everybody who's on this frequency, you know, because it's a thin line between love and hate. And we loving ourselves, and we gonna take it to the next level. So we want to have 1 million subscribers, 1 million views. Just
between the 4 of us,
everybody.
We're all gonna get together. Yeah, boom, boom, boom.
Let's hop on board. We doing so.
I like this. I like this. I like this.
So much different things that we putting our mind to the test. We putting our body to the test. Everything. Starting off with
1 million views.
1 million views.
My thing is fitness. I want to stay young at 72 years old. Scotty's going to show you I have a great body at 30, working on 31, 32. He's going to go over meditation. He's going to go sound and healing.
Spirit tech. We working on our spirit.
Yes.
The technical side, everything. We just taking it to the next level.
We're going to take next level.
Food, exercise.
So Lansdale, we're going to raw food capital of the world. We got a lot of guys here. A lot of guys are into it. Not too many girls, but a lot of guys into it. A lot of guys are going to really boost the Lansdale up to the leading force in this country.
We had to lead the way.
Lead the way.
We had to be the protectors. That's why we need more females on our side too, because we got to
females out there.
We got to balance this whole thing
Got to
out.
balance this whole thing out, yeah. So any females want to join the
Lansdale Fitness Club, Arnold's Way, Raw Vegan 30-Day Challenge. That's the thing. That's where we starting off first. You start off with your pit in your body. You want to have a good projection in your body so you can project outward.
I like this.
Green.
I like this. I like it. He makes me look good, doesn't it?
You want to start off with the 3 things: breathing, water, air. No, breathing, water, and food.
Well, for my thing is it's a lean, mean, fight machine. I have my mantra, I have my vision board, and I don't focus on me. I never focus on me because this way I never have a bad day. I focus on how can I be of service to others. Anyway, with Scotty, stay tuned. We're going to put the next level. Boom, boom, boom. Rock and roll, live and dream. Super excited. Bye.